Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Dropbox Paper for managing brand guidelines documents, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Dropbox Paper website. Log into your Dropbox account or create a new one if you don't have an account. Once logged in, click on the Create New Document button. Title your document clearly, such as Brand Guidelines. Begin by structuring the document with sections for each aspect of your brand. Include sections for your brand's mission and values. Add a section for logo usage, detailing different variations and guidelines for their application. Create a section for color palettes, showcasing primary and secondary colors. Incorporate typography guidelines, specifying fonts and styles approved for use. Add imagery guidelines, including photography styles and graphic elements. Utilize the formatting tools to highlight key information, such as headers and bullet points. Include links to resources, such as downloadable assets or related documents. Use the commenting feature to invite feedback and collaboration from team members. Encourage team members to leave their input directly on the document. Regularly update the document to reflect any changes in your brand guidelines. Share the document with stakeholders, ensuring everyone has access. Set permissions as needed to control who can edit or view the document. Utilize the search function to easily find specific sections or information later. Consider creating templates within Dropbox Paper for future projects. Leverage integrations with other tools your team uses for a seamless experience. Review your document periodically to keep the content current and relevant. Use Dropbox Paper's version history feature to track changes and revisions. This ensures you maintain a clear record of your brand guidelines evolution. Conclude the document with contact information for team members responsible for brand queries. Finalizing this setup will ensure efficient management of your brand guidelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.